Massive TV.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Massive TV, Master of Education and Entertainment. I am your host, Esther Nawate, and this week we have a very special guest. I say special because nyi watu mshawaisikia if versatility was a person. Let us find out more about Steve-O. Most of us know him as from the point of Comrades Flavor. And one question to you guys is that did you actually know that Steve-O is actually the current Mr. UN? Let us find out more about him. Karibu sana Steve-O.
Thank you very much. Utanikubalia to I mix language because that's me, that's my personality. I do English, but most of the times when Big Man Steve-O, you've introduced me from Comrades Flavor, you'll just allow me to blend into the character as Big Man Steve-O. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm honored to be hapa. And I appreciate sana.
We appreciate you.
Thank you sana. Sijui acha nikusaidie kwa mic. Acha nikushikie mic as you interview me. Na mimi nimechangamka sana, so utaniruhusu tu. Unajua mimi huongea mingi. So just ask the question. We move on.
Okay. Allow me to say that actually Big Man Steve-O comes from very far from the city. And you know Big Man Steve-O actually goes to main campus, University of Nairobi. And nimekuwa nikijiuliza venye nimekuwa natembea huku actually how is it that somebody can commute from this place Kasarani all the way to main campus. Anyway, let us
unachomu unajua most of my fans know that I come from Runda. Anyway, jokes guys. Okay, this place is not far. Kasarani is quite close to school, but yeah, depending on what unajua inadependa means mimi utumia nikienda shule and then of late no I can't disclose any of my income ama net worth juu ya KRA na pin. But guys, nakop unajua going to school siku hizi ni online. Yeah. Most of the classes, actually not most, all my classes are online because I study in main campus. Yeah. Acha nisiongee sana. Yeah, I'll hold for you the mic. So just ask questions, I do everything.
Thank you so much. So Big Man Steve-O.
My name?
I really want to know more about you. So who is Big Man Steve-O? Kindly, if you don't mind, who is Big Man Steve-O?
Big Man Steve-O, like I always say, is a jack of all trades. Actually, I do several things, mommy. Yeah. What you don't know, before even you get to Comrades Flavor, which most people now know me, most Kenyans know me, I'm a model. I'm the current Mr. University of Nairobi. I don't know if you know that.
I just found out now.
Yeah, after sanitization unajuanga during sanitization inabidingi dress code na kukonda sana juu atukuli. Actually the name Big Man ilikuja before nilikuwa mkubwa sana, but unajua ukisanitize content, you are in YouTube, right?
Yeah, we are.
Unajua how involving it is. So nimeacha that na modeling sana when I focus on my YouTube. So the whole point of Big Man Steve-O, I model, but nimeacha modeling kiasi. Yeah. I also have a modeling agency, House of Steve, where I train models. Actually, naweza train female models how to walk on cattils. Sijui kama unajua kutembea na cattils.
Tunaweza jaribu. We can give it a try actually.
Yeah, and nikisema tena Big Man Steve-O saa hizi, sijui is this calling us saa hizi.
Yeah. Sorry guys.
Tukisema Big Man Steve-O again guys, ni when we get back to Comrades Flavor, Comrades Flavor is majorly a YouTube channel which educates, entertain and empowers students and youths at large.
Even before you go to that, Steve-O, allow me to interject. Umesema wewe ni model.
I'm a model.
For how long have you been Mr. UN? Maybe for those who want to find out, for how long?
See, actually Mr. UN yetu ilikuwa since last year January. Yeah. I think let me give you my history about modeling for those people who don't know. Yeah. Since I've modeled now for this is the 6th year or the 5th year. I started modeling in 2015 way back. Where were you?
I was in class 8.
Sasa wewe ni mdogo mama. So skiza story. I started modeling way back in 2015. Yeah. I became Mr. Chiromo 2016. Yes. Then nikafanya freelance modeling. Wow. I've been modeling with different agencies. Yeah. Then nikarudi 2019. Kuisha nikakuwa Mr. Main Campus University of Nairobi. Yeah. Then nikakuwa Mr. University of Nairobi last year. So I've been modeling before I ventured into YouTube actually. That
Allow me to say congratulations.
Thank you.
That is an achievement already. I'd say kama ningekuwa hapo sasa penye umefika sasa ningesema mimi maisha yangu actually nimeachieve.
Life is a process.
Yeah, true. Yeah. And so Mr. Steve-O, I heard somewhere that you have actually stayed in UN, the school, for the longest time, even longer than Babu Owino himself.
Somewhere, can you define? I'm someone detailed
No.
and more specific with words. When you say you had somewhere, who are these feeding these rumors? And so many things are trading about this. You had somewhere. Can you give us your source of
Ukikuwa jina
information?
kubwa unatembea huko nje. So
rumors
allow me to actually don't mention the place where I had, but is it true? Just to confirm from the horse's mouth, is it true?
So long as I'm concerned, guys, I think I've stayed. Let me count the number of years I've stayed in the university. They're just long enough to say that they are years. Yes, it's semi specific, but due to, if you do my story and if you read it well, there are people who know my story outside there. Yeah, way back when I joined UN, it's been quite a while. Bado I'm yet to stay for the longest time, maybe not because of my wish, but because of so many things that I may not talk about today. Yeah, but I've stayed there quite a very long time. That is the truth.
And maybe for those people who are curious, just as I am, so how long is this years? For how long have you been in UN? Okay, kama unaogopa kusema hiyo time, maybe you can just mention for more than how many years? If you don't mind, kindly.
They could be +8, +7, around that
Wow.
time. You, for how long
+8.
have you stayed in the University of Nairobi?
It's barely a year.
You just now, I joined there while you were in primary and I'm still there, so don't worry so much. Yeah.
Mr. Stevo, you were part of the SONU Council. Yeah, the previous University of Nairobi SONU. So please tell us, how was it and how did you get yourself there?
Okay, I joined SONU way back in 2016. I was still young, I think. Yeah, very young, naive when I joined student politics. Yeah, but I would say again that I didn't quite spend much time in SONU because it was quite unfortunate. Yeah, things happened. Actually, I was just made the non-resident representative SONU 2016 Chiromo campus. Then 2 weeks later, things happened and it never be up to date. Yeah. Actually, we served the last SONU. That is the exact thing. Yeah, that was the last SONU, the last phase of SONU. So the experience was quite nice. I can't complain. We tried what we could. Yeah, we represented people well, but not so much because I didn't quite finish my term.
Yeah. And to be specific, maybe which seat were you holding during those?
Non-representative Chiromo campus. It's more of a, we have campus rep representing the whole Chiromo for residents, and we have those representing non-students. Not non-students. Those who don't, how do I call this post? It's one post that represents those who don't, non-resident. Yeah, that is the word. Tantalizing. That could be the word. Kitu inakuseduce cause out of yenye unapenda. So remember, these are students. If these comrades are students, they need flavor. Who is a comrade? Someone told me a comrade is someone. Try to view it in that angle. Huyu ni mtu anatumia wifi huko chini, wifi ya shule na baridi. For instance, this is a comrade na kulala njaa.
Kula KDF.
What do you think a comrade would want to watch your channel throughout? It has to be something unique. Hiyo hata ni rhetorical question. Unawapatia kitu unique yenye wewe ukianza kuwatch hautaki kumaliza, una watch throughout. And that is what I came up idea and I educate at the same time, because when you watch my program I put them as student friendly, family friendly. Saki kuweka vitu for views peke yake. You go that ama you go, because at the end of it you must know your aim.
So Stevo, actually wewe sasa ndo unatuambia sisi, you know we are a growing channel, and wewe sasa we can say you've been our mentor in this. Who told you this secret? Ati you must concentrate on content and concept, you know what I'm talking about. So who gave you the secret?
Let me tell you,
something you just came to realize, or uliamka ukasema by the way mimi naenda kufanya hivi na ni hivi? People
get to things with a different intention, with a different means, with the different results in expectation. Unaona, the whole point when you are getting somewhere, for instance, when you are going to school, a good student must have a goal. A silly student huenda shule because it is a form of initiation that we were born, tukizaliwa mimi ni mtoto niende class 1, niende class 8, high school, university. But there's someone who goes to school with different intention. Anajua, the reason I'm going to school is because I want to use this knowledge to expound it to do 1, 2, 3. When I got into YouTube, I had my intention. Siku get kukua celeb. I wanted to do something specific to reach a huge number, and if possible I educate and entertain them at the same time. Many people hawapendi advice na vitu mingi, but how do you bring advice in an entertaining way? So I did my research and I said, who are your target audience? Acha nikuulize.
Majorly, I can say for 70% it's students and youth. Basically.
Students and youths. If students and youths are your main audience, you should know that who are these students and who are youths. What do they love? This is Kenya. This is not US. This is not Tanzania. Neither is it Uganda. Unaenda kwa your research, that's what I did. What do these people love? And after that we tried. Unaona, a growing channel, you are allowed to gamble. Don't stick your mind to one thing. Inaweza fail. You can do continuously fail. Be someone flexible. Ukiona hii imefail, jaribu hii. Ukiona hii imefail, jaribu hii, because you never know.
So Big Man Steve-O. Big Man Steve-O. You see that name, jina kubwa. So Big Man Steve-O, what's your real name?
Steve Kawa, 2 names, simple.
Oh, you only have Kawa. 2 names?
Yeah, 2 names.
So Steve Kawa, to me you're for one. Wow. From being in Sonu, from being the CEO of Steve what? Sorry? House of Steve.
Hiyo ni jina kubwa, usiseme Steve. Hiyo ni jina kubwa paka, ni jina na trend.
I'm so sorry. The CEO of House of Steve. From being in Sonu, from being in, and at the same time you're a student. How do you balance all these? Because me already being a YouTuber and being a student, and by the way guys, I study law at the University of Nairobi, not to brag. So by the way, that is a lot to do. So how do you balance maybe your studies and all these, your social life? Basically.
Why do I tend to think that we always have time, but we have excuses? We have more excuses than we have time. Unaona, the whole point, you can always balance. In campus, how many units do you do? Say 7 or 8. Hakuna classes daily. Me, niko main campus. I don't do medicine. I do sociology. We have to, let's say, per day, 4 hours ni kusoma. What are the remaining these hours? What do you do? Because at the end of the day, hakuna excuses. Even these people have made it walisoma. Sizi baki kusema nasoma peke yake. Actually, even these things that we do are what counts up in future. So majorly, I always feel kuna time. Plus, we do online thing. You can do your online stuff, still work on your stuff. Kuna a lot of time, not unless you are someone who is looking for excuses. I believe kuna a lot of time. But what we medicine is tricky, and some courses. Some courses are tricky. You cannot balance them easily with these other things. But there are people who do it. Why not us?
So Steve-O, and I hope mmesikia, you can always balance. Hata wamed, I'm sure you can always balance. So Steve-O, I was passing somewhere and I heard somebody say that you were once suspended from campus. Just to confirm from you, is it true? If you don't mind, kindly.
You are full of rumors. You are full of rumors. Mara, you had
That is why I am here to
Mara,
confirm.
you had these people spreading my by the.
Sindo ujua sasa wewe ni celeb.
Mimi sijai notice, lakini if that's what you had, hizi rumors zako. So you ask if I was once suspended.
From campus.
And that reminds me
that. And if
yes,
how did you get back to campus?
I think if we have to talk about this story, guys, this is one hell of a... It is not something I'll just tell you yes or no. It is one hell of an interview. Trust me. Because I feel some stories for me to give out, we have to have a very huge interview. So you'll just forgive me for today. Let me not talk so much on it. Because that very, very story, my life is suspension. If you get to my channel, Eco featured, but still leaving people in suspense. Why? Because I feel this is not the right time to speak about it. Because there are some things ni kama ukienda kwa kesi kwa koti, unasikia don't speak about this thing until this and this comes out. That's the whole point. So you'll just forgive me. Acha nisikwambie for today tu peke yake, if you'll forgive me.
I totally understand.
To me, I can't quite say that I'm successful or start bragging that I've succeeded. Unaona? To me, success is still a journey. It's a process, and I believe I'm yet to reach them. Unaona? So the main things I see asking about my family and everyone, okay, at least I'm better than who I was yesterday. And we still keep the humility, and we are happy, we thank God, and I can say they're supportive. I'm happy, you know, when you have that backup family, friend, and that's what keeps me moving each and every day.
And so because of time, ladies and gentlemen, because I can see my director ananiambia time, so parting shot, Steve-O, unaweza ambia nini watu tukimalizia?
What I'll tell people, you'll not be the first one or the last one. People have been there. Be humble, stick to your cause, and you must not do bad things to sell yourself. Unaona? You can still stay positive and still make it in life. Unaona? And believe it, everyone has their own time. Everyone will be successful. We don't know who you are. We know who you are today, but we can't tell who you will be tomorrow. Today you are interviewing me. The next 2 months you could be someone who could jua hadi niseme last time we were having an interview. And that's my prayer. So guys, I'm not the first one or the last one. People have been here where I am, and people will be here where I am. So let's maintain humility, because we don't know about life. Today you are re-interviewing me, seeing me as someone big. Tomorrow you could be the person sitting here and I'm there, or I could be the person now even begging you to come for my interview because you'll be somewhere there. And that's my prayer, because I want you to be someone greater. Don't be discouraged. Everyone has their own time. Unaona? Yeah, just trust the process and believe so much in positivity. I don't believe in selling yourself in a dirty way. Trust the process, even if the trend inaenda hivi. Don't do things that majority do. Be unique, keep to the core, and most importantly, let's believe and pray. Maze mi upenda kuomba sana, and we maintain humility. Yeah,
I must say I am really surprised by how humble you are, because
thanks.
that thing has actually touched my heart. And thank you so much for honoring us and to giving us this opportunity to have you as our guest today. God bless you. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. Tumtafute Antoa Comrades Flavor pale YouTube. For us, Massive TV. Yeah, thank you so much. Till next time.
Thank you guys to subscribe Comrades Flavor na Massive TV. You guys are doing great. Najua sifai kufunga show, but thanks guys. Msubscribe Massive TV all the way.
Thank you so much.